Hey good people, I am on the road for a few days. Just wanted to share a few things that I brought along with me. I have some ginger here. I like to just peel and eat it as is, as needed. I brought a few jars of my green smoothie drink. I have some coconut water, of course some spring water. Picked up some of these Honeycrisp apple wedges. There's only apples in there. They're dehydrated, but they're very, very good. And then, I know this is ghetto. Well, here, let me show you this first. Here's the bag. We usually keep this in the car with some sea salt, onion powder, and cayenne. Plates, utensils, stuff like that. My green drink, I already finished that one. Got some raw agave just in case. And don't laugh. I'm in here cutting up my watermelon right now, ready to have that. I know it's it might seem ghetto, but you know what? You use what you have, okay? This is where I was keeping it cold. I'm about to put more ice in there. So I just wanted to share that there are options out there. We're close to, or rather I am close to a Kroger. So I stopped there beforehand. So just wanted to let you know there's some options out here. All right, till next time. Bye.